Hello! So this is how I paint bushes with a flat brush like this, a hake brush. So wet my brush, get some blue paint, and what I do is I use the corner of the brush, and I go like this. Sometimes the other way, like that. And then at the bottom, I tend to be more like, do horizontal strokes like this. And then if I want a shadow, I make it a little bit more watery. You have to be careful though. And then do like that. And then if I want shadowy areas within the bush, I'll get some thicker paint, less water, and once again using that corner, just do like that. So I'll just do one more. So here we go. So in a way, my brush strokes are a bit like this, curving like that. But I'm using the corner. So here we go, like this. And I'm curving like that. I don't want it to be too regular though, so I kind of put some little ones in, like that. If I get some dry brush like this, that's even better. There we go. And that's looking quite nice. And then I tend to go horizontal and just use the flat or the tip of the brush, the tip of the brush, like that, and paint horizontally. And then once again, make it a little bit watery, and then a shadow. Let's have it going this way. And then I'm trying to copy this pattern. There we go. And then do some shadowy areas inside of the bush. So again, I tend to use this corner and make marks a bit like this. Sometimes I'll do slightly different marks, like a mark going down and diagonal like that. There we go. So I hope that is helpful. Let me know.